Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here and welcome back to another crypto video. Now before we get into it, make sure you press the like button down below to show your support for the channel, and also make sure you comment down below what coin you'd like to see next. I'm thinking about covering ADA, Stellar, VeChain, Digibyte, but would you like me to cover any other coins? Make sure you put it in the comment section so I could go and take a look. How about Tron, for example? Are you guys still liking that? I need to know. But yeah, German banks requesting to custody Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. Report. So, government officials in Germany confirmed that several banks have filed a request to launch a digital asset custody business. BaFin, the national's financial regulator, says it has received over 40 applications from parties interested in offering cryptocurrency custody services, report news outlet Handelsblatt, which of course is trade paper. All right, so you might be wondering, what is this, right? What is going on? Why is this special? Well, the more custody businesses we get, the more private people or the more private equity or equity in general we're going to be seeing moving into crypto. Right now, one of the biggest issues with crypto, I would say, is entry boundaries, or just how difficult it is for you to get your hands on crypto / hold it safely and responsibly and smartly, or whatever you want to call there. And these custodial services are here to help you out. They might just help you with keeping your money somewhere and everything surrounding that. The more that there are, the faster people are going to be investing in cryptocurrency, is my personal opinion. Now, there are multiple things which it helps for, but that's to me the most amazing reason right there. And Germany's updated MLA Act, or MLA, permits banks and other local financial institutions to provide and manage traditional securities, including stocks and bonds, along with digital assets, including Bitcoin, Ether, and XRP. Now, they've become more popular or whatever, and now there's a lot of applications coming in. FDP wait, let me try this. Bundestagsabgeordnete Frank Schaffler tells Handelsblatt, the market is growing faster than the Federal Ministry of Finance has predicted. That is both a blessing and a curse. The high demand for crypto custody licenses shows that companies are increasingly adopting blockchain tech, and this is also the result of the new legislation. That's definitely the truth, but really amazing to see for all of us. Ripple's XRP price can reach 60 cents in the near future as XRP's popularity is growing. This is an article we covered quite briefly yesterday. I actually don't think we covered the article, but the prices we definitely did cover, as there are multiple analysts who are now saying that 60 cent is one of the prices we're going to be seeing soon. So we're going to skip out on that part. But another part I found interesting about this article was the bottom here. Reasons to believe in Ripple, says XRP. Although privately owned by an American company, Ripple claims to XRP run on a decentralized system. A little bit of a wrong sentence right there, XP Ledger. This has seen the altcoin growing popularity among many crypto enthusiasts. But in a recent poll on Twitter on altcoins, to remain with forever posted by D.O. Okay, never mind. Let's skip all these sentences, I guess, there. Tom D. Your Own Research podcast asked on Twitter, if you had to stick with one altcoin forever, which one would it be? IOTA, Cardano, XRP, or Tron? And out of the people, 44% out of 8,000 people chose XRP. Pretty obvious because most of the time it happens exactly this way. You know, whenever there's polls on Twitter going by, XRP will win just because the community is so great, really going for them, and the community is definitely also quite large. I would say that XRP, next to of course Bitcoin, has the biggest community on Twitter, but I would also say that XRP community is better in terms of engagement than Bitcoin is, because there's general people everywhere, for example even me, who are really Bitcoin enthusiasts, right? We're all hoping Bitcoin is going to do well, and we're all rooting for that. But people who really specifically only want Bitcoin news, there's a couple of them, but most of them are generally interested in crypto themselves then. And with XRP, there's tons of people who are really XRP only, the rest is bad, which makes it so that maybe, you know, the rankings are better for XRP on Twitter as well, because the people are more excited about the coin, which is definitely a positive thing for them. But yeah, XRP price predictions for 2020, what do experts think? Our overview of 2020 XRP predictions will cover the opinions of skeptics, proponents, and neutral traders alike. What could XRP reach this year? This is kind of like one of the videos I made earlier today, which was talking about the random price predictions of 2020 that I found online, right? So this is not meant as a part two, but it kind of is. Alistar Milne says obsolete or $0. So XRP is really going to get us nowhere. You're just going to lose your money if you invest into it. Better take off, right? Ripple staff talked to Lightning devs years ago. When they say stuff like this, they're lying in the full awareness that Lightning Tech makes their pointless token obsolete. So basically, XRP is no use, right? That's one thing. Chain Jelly is $0.04 to $2. According to our service, XRP is a bad, high-risk, one-year investment option. In 1 year, the price of the coin may drop to 4 cents. As a long-term investment, the coin price will increase gradually. So in 2020, the coin price will be 46 cents. In 2021, 58, and the average price in 2025 will be $2.32. Pretty good to me still, right? $2.32 is still times 10 from where it is right now, which to me, again, is pretty damn nice. Even though it's going to take 5 years, but 10 timing your money. If you put in 1,000, it's going to be 10,000. Put in 50,000, it's going to be $500,000. So still a very good return on investment for 5 years. Spencer Noon says down 70%. Maybe. It is called Ripple XRP or dog shit. Who knows? Who cares? It's worth more than zero, so it's time to trade the USD pair on BitMEX, Booyakasha. So, alright. Arthur pulls these antics every time a new perp swap goes live. Why? He induces public fear to get offshore institutional investors to pile in and short who before this never had a liquid enough forum to do so. He did the same to Ethereum in August 2018. It fell 70% in a month. Not good for XRP. Actually, this is really the truth, but I think Arthur does this right here, Arthur Hayes, to, of course, earn himself more money on BitMEX. But yeah. Wallet Investor says down 90%-ish. Yes, the price of XP may drop from 28 cents to 8 or 1.8 cents. The change will be minus 93. Mike Novogratz says depends on Ripple. Well, he actually, he came up with some crazy skeptical opinions the last month or so. And basically, he's saying it's going to depend on Ripple, what they do, and a little bit about Bitcoin. Galaxy, I think, Galaxy the trader here, not Galaxy Digit. Wait, I thought here. Galaxy Digital, the company, is, of course, what Mike Novogratz is from. This is Galaxy BTC, the trader on Twitter. And he's actually quite positive, but 30 cents is the short-term focus, I guess, for him. That's what his prediction is. News BTC up to 30 cents. Crypto Potato between 31 and 22. Exanti up to 50 cents. Peter Brandt maybe 46 cents. It's pretty interesting. The ongoing diamond pattern has always been a top pattern among traditional markets. I suppose pattern might work for a bottom in the crypto markets. If you want to know what a very clean diamond looks like, see XRP. Pending a close above 30.38 cents, the diamond bottom will be completed with an initial target of 46.91. Right, FX Street about between 30 cents and $1. Cointelegraph, Michael von the Pupa up to 47 cents. Brad Garlinghouse says a boon if smaller cryptos wash up. Well, actually, he said a lot of different things. But one of the things he's most often saying is 99% of the other cryptos are going to be fading away. So in the end, XRP is going to do really well, most likely. Then you also should add David Schwartz right there, who said a higher price for XRP is going to be better for it. So in the end, we know, they're also going to try to get the prices up. It also affects their own pockets. Think about that. So they would also love the price to go up, and eventually it will happen. And in early 2020, CEO Brett Garlinghouse, in the next 12 months, you'll see IPOs in the crypto blockchain space. We're not going to be the first and we're not going to be the last, but I expect us to be on the leading side. It's a natural evolution for our company. But yeah, of course, it's possible that Ripple doesn't launch an IPO over the next 12 months and remains a private company for the time being. Regardless, it seems clear that Ripple is set on going to the IPO route. And when that IPO launches, expect bullish investors to actually pile into XRP while the hype is on. This isn't to say that XRP is a sure thing long term, but yeah. Then there's BitLord, Sir BitLord, Crypto BitLord. Is this the same Crypto BitLord? I don't know. $224 we have there. And there's some other people who have some different views. But pretty interesting article, pretty interesting topics, pretty interesting view. A lot of different prices there again. So I think that was pretty cool to cover. Ripple XRP bulls facing uphill task and risk of short-term correction escalates. I actually don't completely agree with this, as these bulls are always facing an uphill task. I mean, when is that not the case, right? Whenever BTC goes down, bulls are having to face an uphill task. And right now, BTC is going down, so obviously XRP is going to do this. Top 3 price predictions for BTC, XRP, and Ethereum. Time for correction against overbought market. Actually, no, I had this article in here. I don't think there's anything useful in there. I don't think I don't think this is worth it. I just see at the bottom here XPDUSD, but I don't think there was anything useful in there. The prediction was, I think, 27 cents. As again, uphill task. That's always the same case, so not special. Crypto strategist says XRP poised for major move to the upside, but warns Bitcoin will have to cool down first. And this is where it becomes traditional again. This is my couple of years ago spirit and the best motivation for the crypto space. I was always an advocate of saying, all right, any price we're at right now, it's fine, but it's gonna have to led by Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's gonna go first. Altcoin's going to follow up a little bit. Bitcoin's going to correct. Altcoin's going to correct. Bitcoin goes up quite hard, and altcoin's going to follow and then actually exceed or excel amongst or further than Bitcoin's gains to actually make sure that the what's it called again? The percentage that Bitcoin has in the total crypto realm. I don't know how you call it again. Like for example, let's say right now it's 65% of the whole market that is Bitcoin. I don't know the name in English anymore. But yeah, to make sure that that number is lower again, because you'll see every time there is a little bit of a bull run, that number just extremely deteriorates. And I think that's because the altcoins, as they tend to do, really excel Bitcoin once Bitcoin has had a bit of a rush. And I think that's just because crypto becomes a little bit more of a positive thing. So people are right now waiting for, all right, is crypto going to take off, yes or no? And if Bitcoin goes to $100,000, many people are going to ride the Bitcoin wave. Yes, they will. Many people are going to take their money out of altcoins into Bitcoin, but there's also going to be new money who's going to move into altcoins. And then once Bitcoin has gone to a certain extent at the top, people are going to be like, all right, crypto has really taken off, so some altcoins can do that as well. And then in the end, so much new money from within the Bitcoin and from outside cannot be pumped into altcoins because people got so much new money and they're like, wow. That makes so much positive stuff, positive vibes that a lot more money gets into crypto, which then again translates to more money in altcoins, which translate to higher altcoin prices. Yeah. XRP price analysis, XRP-USD losing ground and vulnerable underneath 30 cents. Do you think it's vulnerable beneath 30 cents? Yes, it is. Because right now we are below 30 cents. So, yeah. XRP price is trading in negative territory with losses of some 3.6% on Monday. XRP to USD has begun to consolidate over the last 5 sessions, following a slight loss of upside momentum. Daily support should be noted at the range of 27 to 26 cents. Pretty cool, pretty basic, but just quickly FYI. And then Ripple's XRP makes huge achievement, setting the stage for strong price surge. So I'm also quite an advocate of this. I think a lot is happening right now. A lot of people are really preparing for some crazy moves. And, as I always say, it is always a possibility. I'm never excluding them, but I'm also never counting on them, as you should never do. XRP passes key level, boding well for the bulls, and Trader Smokey put on Twitter, cutting if it loses the 4-hour cloud, and then afterwards replied and said, XRP USD pair closed on the weekly above 28 cents. This is huge in my opinion. I think XRP to BTC could start performing better too now, simply because this is such a big level on the USD pair. And again, I think this weekly chart, by the way, I think that's mostly the thought that people are having right now. It's either this exact same thought that Trader Smokey has been having, in the sense of, all right, we crossed some critical numbers, so huge upside potential is coming in right now. Or the general talk of saying, all right, everything's overbought, so 27 cents or whatever we're at right now, 27.3. Yeah, that's too high. We're going to go to 26 cents. And then at the end, nobody knows exactly what's going to happen. I personally don't know. I won't tell you. All I can say is, let's just hope for the best. The price goes up, we get some gains. The price goes down, we're in a better position to buy more. We have more time to prepare ourselves for the big run. So all is good. This looks like a really young dude in my opinion as well, doesn't it? Just quickly pointing it out. But hey guys, thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to press the like button. And I'll see you guys again in another crypto video. Take care everybody and have a very nice day. Don't forget to subscribe for daily crypto news. And I'm going to try upload a video every single day to update you guys. So comment down below how many days I can make that into this year. See you guys again in another crypto video. Take care.